Kenya has achieved a significant milestone in its efforts to transition to sustainable transportation by launching its first ever public electric bus charging station. This development marks a major step forward in the country's commitment to green mobility and reducing carbon emissions, considering that fossil fuel-powered vehicles are known to be the primary contributors to climate change. The newly unveiled high-power DC station is located in Nairobi's Buruburu area and is owned by Basigo, a local startup company. What sets this charging station apart is that it is the first of its kind to implement a tariff system specifically tailored for electric vehicles charging. Basigo successfully applied for a retail tariff to the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA) earlier this year. The charging station has the capacity to simultaneously charge up to 6 electric buses, and it will primarily serve e-buses operated by OMA Services and Embasava Sacco. During the launch event, Jit Bhattacharya, the CEO and co-founder of Basigo, expressed his gratitude for the support received from Kenya Power Company in the development of the charging station. He emphasized that the new e-mobility tariff enables investments in critical infrastructure like the charging station, facilitating the rapid growth of the electric vehicle industry in Kenya. Joseph Siror, the managing director of Kenya Power, stated that as the country's electric power off-taker and distributor, the organizing is taking a leading role in environmental protection by strategically dispatching clean energy. He further affirmed Kenya Power's preparedness and alignment to support the expected surge in demand for electricity through strategic grid investments, ensuring the provision of reliable and high-quality power supply. Regarding the newly approved e-mobility tariff, Siror explained that the daytime charging rate stands at 17 Kenya shillings per kilowatt per hour, while off-peak charging during times of surplus renewable energy supply enjoys a substantial reduction of 8 shillings per kilowatt per hour. This favorable tariff structure applies to consumptions ranging from 200 kilowatts per hour to 15,000 kilowatts per hour. Basigo is among 20 licensed startup companies in Kenya authorized to provide electric buses. Recognizing the importance of encouraging private sector involvement in the adoption of e-mobility, the Kenya government has announced its intention to offer incentives to companies engaged in the importation and assembly of electric vehicles. Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen emphasized the need for incentives such as tax breaks and financial support to facilitate the widespread adoption of e-mobility in the public service sector. These incentives will also extend to manufacturers, assemblers, sellers, and spare part dealers involved in the electric vehicle industry. Several transport circles, including Supermetro, Embasava, Metro Trans, and City Shuttle, have already acquired e-buses and are actively incorporating them into their operations. With the launch of the first public electric bus charging station and the government's commitment to supporting e-mobility, Kenya is making significant progress in realizing its vision of sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.